Game. What is your name?
1, 2 plus 3.
Remorin. Okay. How old are you?
5.
How old are you?
Plus 5.
Okay.
1 plus 5.
Where do you live?
Yun. Same pa rin ang answer. Yung una, yung 1 and 2 kasama. Yung second, yung 2 and 3.
Again.
Pero same pa rin
One more
sila
time.
ng answer. Okay?
Where is your answer? Where do you live? Where do you live?
One more ha.
Where do you live?
2.
Santa Cruz, Laguna. Okay.
3 plus 4.
What is your gender? Are you a boy or a girl?
7.
What is your gender? Are you a boy or a girl? Well, a boy.
2 plus 7.
When is your birthday?
7. Pero pagka yung grouping ginawa natin na ganito.
September 9.